this wheel, you can see here, it's leaking. It's quite soft and it's leaking here. You can see how damaged this rubber is. So I'm gonna replace this with a new one. So I need to pop the tire, push it down so I get in a new valve, and hopefully that will fix the leak. First of all, we need to open this up to get the air out. I got this tool. Take out the valve inside. This tire is old and lots of cracks in it, so I hope I won't break it. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it under here. So I'm gonna put this here. So here's the old one, all broken. Cut it to get it out, and then I'm gonna put in the new one. I have this tool for that. So you put it in the hole, screw this one on, and just pull it through. Don't need that anymore. The new one is in. Now we just need to fill it up with air to get it to pop back.